Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the notification bar on the pedometer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the settings icon down below, which is the first option. Scroll down till you find the notification bar option and just simply tap on it, thereby turning on notifications. So when you're going to get a notification, for example, about this reminder that you have already turned on, such as your daily report and walking exercise reminder, then you will be able to see it at the notification bar. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.